Stop right there. Before you try installing random apps on your Samsung Smart TV, you need to know one critical truth. Samsung Smart TV does not officially support third-party app installation like Android TV. But yes, there are safe and workable methods to use third-party apps. Watch carefully. First, let me explain the platform. Samsung Smart TVs run on Tizen operating system, not Android operating system. That means you cannot directly install APK files. No Play Store. No USB APK install. If anyone says otherwise, that is false. Now let us talk about what actually works. Method 1. Using official apps only from Samsung App Store. Go to Settings, then go to Apps, then open Samsung App Store. This is the safest and recommended method. If the app is not listed here, Samsung does not officially allow it. Method 2. Using screen mirroring or casting, which technicians use daily. This is the most reliable workaround. Install the third-party app on your Android phone. Make sure your TV and phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Preferably use 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi for better compatibility. Now go to Phone Settings, then go to Screencast or Smart View. Select your Samsung TV. Your phone screen will mirror on the TV. Now open the app on your phone. This works perfectly for streaming apps and tools. Method 3. Using external streaming devices. This is the professional solution. Devices like Android TV Box, Fire TV Stick, or Chromecast. Connect the device via HDMI. Switch input source. Now you can install any third-party Android app on that device. Your Samsung TV becomes the display only. This method is 100% stable and future-proof. Method 4. Using web browser-based apps. Open the Samsung Internet browser on the TV. Some services work directly from the browser. This does not support all apps, but it works for basic streaming and utilities. Important warning. Do not try unknown USB tricks or developer mode hacks. They can break system security. They can void warranty. They often stop working after updates. Final answer. You cannot directly install third-party apps on Samsung Smart TV, but you can safely use them via screen mirroring, external devices, or browser access. That is the technician-approved method. If this helped you, subscribe to Tech Vibes. More real solutions coming soon.